Installing a brake control wiring harness can feel like a hassle, especially if you're dealing with complicated wiring or unclear instructions. But what if you could skip all that and get your brake controller connected quickly and securely? With a vehicle-specific brake control wiring harness featuring plug-play technology, you can do just that. This guide will walk you through the easy steps to install your brake control wiring harness, so you can enjoy safer towing without the headache of traditional wiring. Step 1. Identify your brake control type. First, make sure your brake controller has a wiring port built into the back of the unit. These models are designed to work with a 2-plug style wiring harness, which is marked with the plug-play logo. This logo guarantees compatibility and a straightforward installation process, eliminating guesswork and the risk of incorrect wiring. Step 2. Connect the brake control end. Take the wiring harness and plug the brake control end directly into the back of your brake controller. This connection is secure and designed to fit perfectly, so you won't have to worry about loose wires or complicated splicing. The plug fits snugly, ensuring a reliable electrical connection every time. Step 3. Connect the vehicle end. Next, plug the vehicle end of the wiring harness into your vehicle's port. This port is usually located under the dashboard or near the driver's side fuse box, depending on your vehicle model. Because this harness is vehicle-specific, it matches your vehicle's port exactly, making the connection quick and foolproof. Step 4. Test your installation. Once both ends are connected, power on your brake controller and test its functionality. The plug-play wiring harness ensures that your brake controller communicates properly with your vehicle's braking system, providing smooth and responsive trailer braking. This step confirms that everything is working as it should, giving you peace of mind before hitting the road. Why choose a vehicle-specific plug-play wiring harness? It's simple. It saves you time, reduces installation errors, and protects your vehicle's electrical system. Unlike traditional wiring methods that require cutting, splicing, and sometimes guesswork, this harness lets you plug in and go. Users consistently praise its high quality and ease of use, with many noting how it made upgrading or transferring brake controllers between vehicles effortless. For example, one satisfied customer shared how this adapter allowed them to quickly install a Takancha Prodigy P3 brake controller in a 2008 Dodge Ram after selling their previous vehicle. The harness worked flawlessly, fitting perfectly and eliminating the need for complicated rewiring. This kind of reliability and convenience is exactly what you want when dealing with critical safety equipment like brake controllers. By following these simple steps, you'll have your brake control wiring harness installed in no time, ready to provide safe and effective trailer braking. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or installing a new brake controller, this plug-play solution makes the process straightforward and stress-free. Take control of your towing safety today. Plug in your wiring harness and hit the road with confidence.